let's understand one more company which is into manufacturing of foods and exports of food material overseas today. So name of company is Zelle Traders. The brand name has been disclosed on the screen. So Zelle Traders is basically manufacturing of badang, kurmura, surti kurmura, maize poha, and masala badang. These are typical Indian items. There is a huge market into Europe and America, like no States and Canada for this product. There are huge Indian diaspora which is looking for this kind of product, and this could be easily sold on Amazon. So these guys are into manufacturing of this product, Shabudana, Jaggery, and other branded product, and general merchandises. They also import almonds from California, America, to cater to needs of the various supermarkets and distributor chain in India. So they are kind of in a two-way business. They are not one-way business. They are into two-way business. So they understand in terms of how to export the material and how to import it as well. Zile Traders has really wonderful infrastructure. At the core, their entire success is depend on their infrastructure, and and they claim that they got an advanced infrastructure. The infrastructure is well equipped with modern facilities to offer uh, international quality standard across all of their product ranges. The factory area is a more than 30,000 square feet, totally hygienic and clean environment. Means these guys are into production of food material, and they have really wonderful and clean. Not the factory kind of you got into your mind when you think about India. They got literally very sanitized, hygienic and clean factory, like modern factory they have. The facilities are well equipped and designed to assure safe food preparation. So it has been taken care of the hygiene with like indeed they claim to have a modernized factory with 30,000 square feet of area in total, and the entire area is hygienic, like I have mentioned previously. Indeed, they have safe food preparation methodology uh, for handling practicing practices by employee as well. Cleaning and processing. These are the two most important aspects of any food processing industry, where individual processing and cleaning plan for every product. So that is what they are practicing. All measures are taken to strictly follow for raw material to be clean and processed in the plant. So they do generally accepted practice for cleaning and processing in food industry whenever it comes to export to states and Canada. Uh, the entire quality of food articles and the packaging is also up to the mark. Now they have a dedicated quality control department as their ISO 9001 2008 certified company. Their quality control department monitors and inspects every aspect thoroughly. Means they have a dedicated QC department where packaging, procurement of raw material, inside the process from raw material to the finished good has been the QC has been taken care at the every stage basically, and the finished product delivered are always of the best quality. That is how they are ensuring the finished product to be delivered should be best quality. Packaging and transportation is one of the most important aspect when you are sourcing from India. Uh, because the finished good has to cover a really long distance for at least 45 to 60 days overseas. So packaging meticulous packaging system as per international standard they follow, and barcoded the way client want and ready to be sold under client's label. So this facility to to barcode your product for traceability and everything, that facility is also available for the packaging. If you're sourcing out of India, you want to have your product to be barcoded from India only, you can get it done. Then the best transportation facility for timely delivery. There are many companies I know from India which are dedicatedly been providing this supply chain management for the Amazon sellers and other companies, which ensures smooth and anticipated timeline to deliver the product. So value chain is one of the important and integral aspect of a system. JLA Traders is committed towards enhancing the value chain. They are not only focusing on the end product, but they are focusing on value chain as well. The quality of product to be satisfactory. Excuse me. The quality of product to satisfaction of customers. That is what their intention is. They are into value chain and they wanted to have satisfaction. They understand that consumer, end consumer, not only customer but the end consumer is supposed to be a satisfied one who is consuming the product. Generators have deep and broad experience in manufacturing of kurmura, masala, badan for companies interested in developing its own brand or sourcing from India. So like if you are a company and if you have your own brand, food product, food article, you can get that to be done from generators from India. So this is the list of few esteemed clients. Godwan Consumer Product uh, Company, which is one of the largest company here in India. Jaisingpur under brand name of Star. It's a trademark basically. Chodia Food Products based out of Pune under brand name Praveen. Desai Brothers Limited, again Pune under brand name Mother's Recipe. So this company Zele Traders is providing uh, finished goods basically for established brand here in India. So they understand the quality, they understand what has to be delivered. These are the few example of Zele packaging looks really neat. You can have the packaging in multiple color, additional information, even barcode, everything is available. FSSAI is one of the Indian organization, government organization which take care of quality check here in India. So if you wanted to follow some other standard as well, Jele Food would be able to do that. And look at the vibrant color of the packaging, they can get it done. Look at the different product, Makai Chuda. This is one of the most famous item into states and in Canada, even Europe for that sake. Huge amount is been exported to UK as per Indian diaspora lives there. So this is their brand, horse brand. They took this first time in 1960 to star of manufacturing good nut oil and trading of groundnuts. So Zelle Traders, this is their address. If you wanted to get in touch, you can call on this number, or you in the description there is a form. You can fill up the form as well, or simply reply to me as well. Thank you, and let's see again in a next video with profile of some other company. Happy sourcing. This is Rahul.